raising awareness. In all fairness, ain't gonna bring.
Nimeitoa. Niko live.
Tuko fully live recording for doctor. Now I'm ready to go.
Taran. Hello. So. Welcome back, guys. This is another segment. So 9:30 opens in the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay. So am I audible? Can you guys hear me? So just type, just comment, comment. So those who are here with me, the other time I was live. So I was live 1 hour ago, and so I was showing you guys how I got this move here on Euro USD. So on Euro USD we caught this nice move. So today on Euro USD we caught this nice move. Yeah. So those guys were here with me during that time. So I was highlighting how, the narrative that I used when executing this entry here. Yeah. So what happened? We opened during London session, and price traded into the new week opening gap. So it traded into the new week opening gap, and mark you on the 1 8 30 minutes 15 minutes time frame, you can see we had this order block. So this order block, I was looking at that, I was eyeing for that, and then the consequent encroachment of this new week opening gap. So new week opening gap, we open trade higher inside the new week opening gap. Remember, new week opening gap, that's a weekly premium array. Okay, so we trade into a premium array, that's the weekly price level, that's the new week opening gap at the consequent encroachment of that new week opening gap. So we are having that order block, so the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes order block. So just look at the charts, you're gonna see that. And so time and price. So at what time do we trade inside this at what time do we trade into this new week opening gap or that order block? So immediately after 2 New York time, 2 or so right now it's 10, so Sunday Kenyan time, Nairobi time. So we trade inside that new week opening gap. It gives us a fair value gap. So this fair value gap, that's where I start framing my setup, my entry setup from. Yeah, that's where I start framing my setup. So this is my model. So if you see my pinned videos there, so it's something like this. We open, manipulate higher. So once we manipulate higher, we trade into a higher time frame premium array. So we trade inside the new week opening gap. So yeah, we're having the quadrants for the new week opening gap. We have the midpoint, the consequent encroachment. Yeah, and so at the midpoint we are having this order block, 15 minutes 30 minutes order block. Yeah, so that one is going to give us a confluence, a stronger confluence now. So what happens, we try to trade into this fair value gap. So it holds price going higher, so it gives us this deeper move. But then look at the body closes. So we close just below the consequent encroachment of that new week opening gap. The bodies remain at the lower quadrant. Okay, so that's promising. So I was looking at all of this. So I want to see this fair value gap fail to hold price going higher. So immediately this and trade below it. So immediately we trade below it, so that gives me the confirmation that I needed, that this fair value gap is not going to hold price anymore going higher. So what do I wait for? I want to see, so I'm certain and confident that this order block here is not going to hold price as well, because we are having this weekly price level. Okay, so time and then price. So at time, and then we trade to a weekly price level and a higher time frame premium array, that is the order block, and also the new week opening gap. So immediately we trade below it, so that gives me a confirmation that we are now going lower. So we are going lower. So what happens? So I wait for this price to trade and close below. Yeah, so once we trade below, so as it's coming here, I was also marking this order block. Yeah, so you see I was also marking this order block here. So I was seeing how, I was watching how price is trading into it. So we trade into it, rejects. That's a good confirmation on my end. And then this other one tries again, fails, trades lower, and then closes here. So this candle, as it was now trading this way, so I was certain that we don't want now to go above here. Okay, so that's why you see me execute now here. So that's by me doing this, it's highlighting where I entered in. So I just entered just around the consequent encroachment of now this IFVG. So after entering, my stop was at the midpoint of this new week opening gap, and as it was trading this way, so I wanted to see how we're going to trade below this low. So I wanted I was highlighting I want to see speed and distance. Okay, speed and distance. So what happens is that we trade below with speed and distance, gives us this fair value gap. So those people who are always trading the ICT 2022 mentorship, so what normally happens is that you wait for shift in market structure with the fair value gap. So right here it gave this fair value gap, but then what happened? We didn't trade into this fair value gap. So for me, because this is my model, so I normally enter at this fair value gap here. So immediately we trade below it. So I'm only expecting for price to trade back into it, and you see I execute there. So I'm not worried about this other fair value gap here. So I don't expect for price to trade into it. So as it was trading here, so this pullback, so I wanted to see it trade back into this, and also this IFVG, the bigger IFVG that we have here. Okay, so I wanted to see it trade back into it, but then it just did this and then rallied lower. So as it was doing this, so I marked this there as a bearish order block. So bearish order block with the fair value gap. So price traded lower, and took out this low, returned back into the fair value gap, and also return into the fair value gap, and we saw that nice rollover. So price did that. So I took out partials here, 2 lots. So you see me highlight here, 2 lots came off. Okay, and again after taking out this, price created this fair value gap inside this order block. Okay, so immediately we are trading back into this. So I'm not panicking. So around this level I came live, and I was highlighting for some of the guys who are here. So I was telling them that there's a pullback here. So if it's to trade deeper, then it's only going to trade inside this fair value gap. So because it took out this high, we took out that high, traded into this fair value gap, trade lower. So immediately we close below this fair value gap here. So that's also a signal. That's also another setup. Okay, we trade and close below this fair value gap. So that tells me that after taking out this high, trade into this fair value gap, close below this fair value gap. So this one becomes an IFVG. Yeah, so this one becomes an IAVG. So we trade below it and take out this low. So this is also another setup. So I was highlighting to them that this one is also another setup. So high taken out, speed, distance, fair value gap here, another fair value gap here. So it also gave us this order block. So email we trade here, failed to take out this low, price returns into this order block, as you can see. So if you know to use your fair value gaps and your order blocks, then so for someone who knew, you can enter into this order block, or you can, if you were to wait for price to trade into this fair value gap, then it didn't give that to you. So my sell side liquidity was here. So immediately it was doing this. So I was telling the guys that were live here that I'm going to regret taking out my profit here, because if you look at the higher time frame, then we are also having that. If you look at your daily the daily time frame, we are having a certain low there. So that low is my draw of liquidity. And also around this place we are having an old new week opening gap. So that old new week opening gap, okay, that old new week opening gap. So that's also what I'm eyeing for. Yeah, thank you Odeko Duor. Yeah, that was clean. So entered there, came out here, but then I knew, okay, I made peace with the fact that I was going to regret losing all of this around 20 pips, but then I think it's normally a good thing to be contented, be contented, and also know when to take your, know when to be done, okay, know when to be done. So did that. So with Forex, New York normally opens at 7, so immediately it opened, so we just saw that rollover. Just take your bread and butter for the day. Yeah, these opportunities normally present themselves each and every single, okay, in as much as for Forex trading you have to wait, you have to do more of the waiting. For instance, the whole last month, I don't think okay, maybe I had maybe 1 or 2 trades when trading Forex. Yeah, maybe I think I had 1 or 2 trades when trading Forex. But then I guess when it gives you something as clean as this, so if you see my pinned posts, you'll find that this is the same thing that I normally execute when trading Forex. Yeah, so I look at this 5 minutes fair value gap, we trade to higher time frame PDRA. Yeah, then immediately we trade below it. I just wait for that return. Boom. Target any sell side liquidity or relatively equal lows. So we were having this relatively equal lows, so we took it there, and then we saw this. So immediately we took it here, and we were having this pullback. So some people maybe walikuwa panic, but then hii ni kitu kidogo, like it's only going there to rebalance any imbalance that it left, ama any inefficient price level that was left behind. Okay, so he did that, return another setup here. So hii hapa, like mtu kama mimi unajua, like naingia kwa hii IAVG merely imebreachiwa, so this next move. So that was nice, clean, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, so now let's get back to the what, NQ, Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq, let's see what it's doing. So I don't know why this level imeenda wapi, but nilikuwa nimemark level if I have a look up. ama iko. Yeah, so I was watching at this for this fair value gap here. So nikiingia nilikuwa nimemaki fair value gap. So clean move and well explained. Nice one, nice one. So right now this move here. So ukiangalia huko juu, yeah, ukiangalia huko juu, like we are having these smooth levels. These smooth levels, smooth levels. So yeah, relatively equal highs. So that move on EU I did execute on my funded accounts, and yeah, so that was around 5R, yeah, because the stop loss was around 5.1 pips and TP was around 27 pips, so around 5-ish. Okay, so accounts zingine zishapita, zenye zimebaki then nitapita tu na I know maybe kesho kama sijapata setup, then kesho ni Wednesday, then we'll have to wait till if there is going to be NFP, maybe I'll wait till next week, because I'm not in a rush, I'm not in a hurry to do anything right now. Okay, so I was looking at this, yeah, so that happened, and so I'm looking for this relatively equal highs. So how are we going to, so is it going to leave us this so it I wanted to see if it's going to give us that fair value gap. Ni kama itaki, but then can it leave this one, if fair value gap hapa chini, yeah. So kwa higher time frame, so let's look at the 4H. Let's see what's happening in the 4H. 4H. Nice one. So in the 4H, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Such an easy. So guys, mnaweza comment like leo, what are you guys watching for? What are you guys looking for? So above price we're having this fair value gap, this 4H fair value gap, yeah, and also we are having this new week opening gap. So we trade just at the upper quadrant of it, so on top of it, and so is it really that open is here, closed here? So just the open and level again. So we are having this new week opening gap. So let me just draw the quadrant. So oops. 25%. Okay, so if you are going to be extremely bullish, then I expect for price to just trade into this 25 region, 25 level. Yeah, hi, hey, how are you? So it has traded around the 25 quadrant level. So if you are going to be bullish, then I want to see price maintain that level, and we are having this fair value gap here. So this 4H fair value gap and also another 4H fair value gap here. So So guys, you can comment if you are bullish today, because the open is just in the next 5 minutes. The open is in the next 5 minutes. Comment, are you bullish? Since nianze kutrade gold na mentality yako mzee, results. Good work mazee. Shukran. Mentality yangu like, but nipoa mazee, like I'm happy at least. Yeah, at least what I'm doing here, maybe ita transform life ya mtu. I mean, I'm happy for you. Maybe I'm going to start all over with the lessons because there's something I'm missing in my strategy. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea to start over. Yeah, just tweak your system, but then don't change the whole of it. Just tweak it a little. So go through your journal. So if you normally journal, then go through your journals and hapo ndo utapata like, yeah, the things that you're not always doing. Yeah, the things that you're not always doing. I'm interested in futures trading too. Unatumia program gani? Find the next future. So guys, like so I'm going to, so I need like I want I'm planning on mentoring 10 people. Okay, so I'm planning on mentoring 10 people, but then these 10 people, you guys have to be serious. So there's going to be a one-time fee, but then it's going to last for 4 months. So immediately at the end of 4 months, there's going to be, okay, by the end of the 4 months, there's going to be a certificate. Yeah, there's going to be a certificate, and the fee is going to be, so I was planning. So if I'm to if you are going to learn both features and forex, then it's going to be 30K. Yeah, so 10 people, 30K. But then if you want to only learn forex, then it's going to be 20K. 4 months, bro. 4 months. At the end of it, you're going to have a certificate. Yeah, so certificate obviously ni a prop firm. So because so your 30K ama 20K, like ita include hadi pesa hadi nini ya kubai seme aje, so ya kubai like account haita include, yani haita include. Hiyo nitakuwa nimepiga hesabu mbaya. So like 30K to 50 USD for this much content is still we unaona tu like kuna mwenye tu ashajua like na charge less. So like yeah, so unaona like nimesema 30K na ndio hiyo. Unaona Kinoduoro wamesema like yeah, hii content ni too much. So CG, but then I just feel like yeah, the first 4 months to it, like the first 4 months. So kama like tuko serious, kama uko serious, wewe DM wewe DM like, so so what will happen ni, so the first 2 months itakuwa ni theory. Juu wenye watakuwa hapa hivi ni wale wenye at least mshajua kitu. So si ati naanza na mwenye ajui anything. Yeah, so nataka tu wale wenye kama una believe uko serious like uko serious. So nataka tu 10 people, first 10 people peke yake, like sitaki watu wengi. First 10 people like 30K. Yeah, so itaanza, I'm planning on itaanza this month. this month. So tell a friend, like don't miss out maze, because these are life changing opportunity. Na yeah, staki like juu after hapa hivi staki like ni move to the next level, na kuna wengine watabaki, na kuna wengine like juu hizi ni vitu mtu anafaa jue. So inaanza this month, so ni tu 4 months. So itakuwa first nini itakuwa 4 months, so 10 people immediately like itafika 10 people, then nita close, like sitataka mtu mwingine tena, sitataki any more people. Yeah, so kama uko serious, if you believe you're serious and you want this, then my G maze, just reach out na tufanye hiyo shughuli, tumalize, utoke na account yako, certificate yako, yeah, uende, yeah, naicheki. So naicheki right now, nilikuwa naangalia if ya value gap. So if ya value gap like ndio hiyo inajaribu kuhold, so ime hold kitu ka hiyo, nataka i-close huko juu, so let it close above. Kwani any time frame gani? 5 minutes. Yeah, so this level held price ini 2020 hii high hapa, okay. So this level imejaribu hold price. So the fact that ijatoa hilo, so this low is lower compared to this. So hii hapa ni mitigation block. So hii mitigation block, like mitigation blocks hazikuangi much stronger compared to breaker blocks, but then we want to see, yeah. So ikirudi huku like tunataka kuangalia tu what to want to do. So 4H kumbuka, juu kuna fair value gap, and also huku chini kulikuwa na nini, hiyo new week opening gap plus the quadrant. So the fact that hii level imekata hold, so hiyo ni red flag, like yeah, hiyo ni red flag. Terrain. Sa shida ni kuna watu tu mahali like washaingia kwa hii, washa execute binadamu. So hiyo level imefail, so acha niangalie, yeah. So imefail. So acha tuangalie hilo. Yeah. So tuangalie kama inaweza toa hilo. Okay, so still I prefer this E high, easy smooth level. So we are having this one here hapa na this one here. So those levels are smooth. So right now hii level pia ilikuwa na some equal lows. So hii low na hii low smooth pia. Hii low na hii low ni smooth. So plus this level we were having some previous week's low. So so naona like ilikuwa revisit hizi lows. So right now ikiweza trade above huku juu, then hebu cheki 1H. So 1H iko na nini? And by the way guys, kwa nimeangalia hata 1H. Damn. H2 iko na signature ya kuanguka. We had this order block, trade into this order block, and so we are having this low here. And then all of these ndo nataka kumark sahi. So guys, imerudia first presented fair value gap. Confusion. Ndo hiyo nimemark first presented fair value gap. So imetrade huku chini ikarudia hiyo first presented fair value gap. So one H close, we might have clear direction. Okay. Was there for me? And no weapon from the against sharp. They're relatively equal highs. Yeah, so this level may hold, level may hold. So I think naweza try our first long entry. Inaenda tarudi kweli. Damn. Mazee imeenda. Okay, ikiweza rudi kwa hii breaker then naingia. Ikikuacha pia ni sawa. Yeah. Ikikuacha pia ni sawa. So imetupea hapa fair value gap ya kwanza. These are the fair value gap. So I expect for it kama inaweza rudi kwa hii fair value gap ya pili. So nangojea hii close close. So ikiweza rudi hapa then nita execute kwa hii breaker block. Yeah. Kama itakuja then iende tu. Juu zin above price kuna hiyo 4H fair value gap fulani. So maybe hiyo ndo itaendea. So tutaangalia. So acha nione venye itafanya hapa. Shakuja hadi. So my first one now. So si expect trade chini ya hii hapa. Tangu Trump aingie. crazy maze. Imekuwa crazy. So nataka kuona kama hii breaker block like ina hold, so imeshikilia price. So huko juu tuko na hizo some relatively equal highs huko. Yeah. So tukiweza toa hizi highs like hii relatively equal highs, tukiweza itoa then na scale stop loss yangu. Yeah. But then I expect for this breaker block to hold price. So we've returned into this other fair value, this upper fair value. So I want to see this fair value gap hapa chini i remain open. So price isirudie hii fair value gap. So acha nitoe. Hiyo ni first presented fair value gap. acha nirudishe. But then spendi color. Oops. Tangu Trump aingie. Okay. So hii level like nataka I hold price. Yeah. So stop yangu ikiweza rudi huku chini, then yeah, it can just take me out, but then my stop iko huku chini. Yeah, so singoje like the first time nilikuwa nataka inge close above hapa, then irudi ningeingia na hapa, but then imepeana hii fair value gap, these are the fair value gap, and then what it did just traded inside this upper fair value gap. So this is something I can take a million times. So yeah, maze. So naangalia like if ya value gap juu hii yote ni like hiyo breaker block, so still pick initoa ni sawa, but still imerudia hii fair value gap, so I want to see how it's closing. So venye ina close ni inakuwa inaniambia so if you guys can see hii stop loss like iko just below hii new week opening gap, hii level hapa sijui ni the upper part of hiyo, so slightly below it. Okay, so slightly below it. So nani I see what frames my buyers. Kama nataka kubuy ni I look for these things. So you see these relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows, so something like this. So you saw me mark here relatively equal highs, so huko juu like tuko na hizi relatively equal highs. Okay, something like this high failed to take out this, so immediately I see something like that, I don't want for price to leave those levels. Okay, again here high, this high not taken out, this high failed to take out this high, so those levels are smooth. So I expect for price to come and make them jagged. Okay, so those levels price is going to come and make it jagged. Yeah, so that's I mean, when I come to the marketplace, I'm looking at that and then I frame my narrative upon that. Okay, so no matter previous days close, kulikuwa na previous days close mali ama hiyo previous weeks low ama iko hiyo previous days close. Okay, so right now there's a breaker block ime hold price, so this bullish breaker, yeah. So hiyo bullish breaker like ime hold price for now. So kina nani nataka like mnifunze kutumia Okay, hadi mimi like I'm still learning, si ati najua hizi vitu. I'm still learning, like unifunze kutumia the so called easy manini easy quadrants, so the two, ama kama nimefanya wrong like utaniambia, kama nimeifanya wrong utaniambia. So the fact that tumetoa hiyo relatively equal height na hii hapa, like I guess naenda kuchukua like nachukua 5, so nachukua half of my position off, alafu hiyo ingine tu nita ride along. Yeah, juu nilikuwa nimeingia na 5, so hapo juu nilikuwa nimeingia na 10, so hapo let me, yeah, so nachukua partials, then I leave the runner for this level. So hii level ni around 2.5, so I want to put it midpoint ya hii the 2.5 level. So midpoint ya hii ndo nataka kuwekea hiyo stop loss, hiyo TP. Yeah, so the midpoint ya, so around the 2.5 level. So kama like una change standard deviations. Yeah, so to me this standard deviations, like I'm also learning. Yeah, you saw from this high to this low, so I want to project it and see the likely plus, and maki huku juu tuko na hiyo true day open. Okay, so true day open. So right now I've taken my partials, and I'm sorry guys, I was supposed to email you, took that, I was to, yeah, so the trade is now risk free, so sorry about that. So vitu ni mingi hadi nasahau, so hiyo ni kitu like ufai kusahau. Yeah, so trade sasa ni risk free. Mnauliza damn. So I'm watching, so it has given this fair value gap. So as it was taking out these relatively equal highs, so there's a red level. Hii level hapa. So this level, it has given us another fair value gap. So this good. So kama like ingetupea fair value gap hapa, then tunge expect like another pullback huku chini, then ndo itupe. But so now that imetupea hapo, so I want to see price react now to this fair value gap and then push higher, rallying to the TP now. Leo nimeongea mingi, so if it can do something like this, irudi alafu irally higher. So the fact that mliona like hii level imetupea hii fair value gap, yeah. So nilikuwa na expect iki close above first presented fair value gap, so this next candle inge open to even ninge execute na hapo, trusting that hii level, hii breaker inge hold price, but still imefanya, so imefanya hivyo. So ime close huku juu. I said I want to see this breaker hold price, so hiyo breaker iko inarudi hivyo. So unaona nime execute venye imerudi kwa hiyo breaker block, so nime execute kaanza, so tumekuwa tu na hii this small drawdown. So this small drawdown, and we see price is now pushing higher. So TP kwa hapa nishachukua partials hapa, 5 contracts came off, and right now the trade is risk free. So hata kirudi like I'm still gonna win. So yeah, and assist price respect that fair value gap. before ianze kufanya pullback. So Makio huku juu like kuna hiyo fair value gap, so I'm watching at how prices are. So any significant so price ikifanya anything fishy, then I know what to do. But for now iko sawa according to me. So I'm watching at how easy candles like zina close. Ikifanya anything fishy, then I'll know. Ni kama ukiwin you forget about the comments. Oh, umeuliza kitu. Yeah, so kuna wale wa CISD like naona kama una trading CISD, I don't. So pia kuna hizo. Yeah, kuna watu walikuwa na highlight price. Kina NG. So Edward, thank you. So the fact that imeacha hii fair value gap hii hapa, hii ya chini na ikaform hii fair value gap ya juu. So I want to scale my stop loss sasa. So my stop itakuja huku juu. Yeah, so stop loss yangu saizi imemove. Nimemove tu, nataka niweke katikati ya. So kuna hii fair value gap. So this fair value gap, then this one also. Yeah. So sitaki like price irudi kwa hii fair value gap. So ikirudi kwa hii fair value gap, then I don't want it. Yeah, niko na mentorship maze. Yeah. Oh. Find the next futures, bro. Find the next futures. Na that's unaulizanga hii swali kila siku. Ama huko ange huko. Oops. So right now opening range Jeez, okay, so I want to see this fair value gap hold price. So staki like install hapa kwa hii fair value gap. So venye imehit hivyo tupate hiyo run like kama itatoa hii high alafu ianza kucheza then itaanza ku run down equity. So any high ikitolewa natoa nachukua like partials. Yeah. So this fair value gap, I want to see it hold. And so staki cheze kwa hii fair value gap. So nataka itoe hii high mbio. So ni kama hata naweza ongeza like kwa hiyo true day open, then nianze kupartial out. So nataka kutoa so mbili moja. So hapo nataka kutoa 2. Yeah. So 2. So ikifika round hapa tena 2 alafu ibaki na hiyo moja. So imepeana, okay, ijatupea hiyo fair value gap nilikuwa nataka. Achukue 3 months. Damn. Anyway, kama uko na do like unaweza lipia mentorship yangu tu like nitakusaidia. Bora ukwe mtu wako self driven. Unajua mtu wako self driven unaweza msaidia haraka. Yeah. So tena iki page tena kiasi nachukua tena 2 off, alafu niachishe hiyo moja, but then ikirudi huko ndani then sitapenda. So if it trades higher, I want to, so hii hapa saizi ni order block. So there's an order block, this is a bullish order block. So we are having this order block 2, 3. So naangalia right now venye inacheza around the level. So ikileta jokes like yeah, sitaki ilete jokes. Kileta jokes nitakuwa naitoa natoa the bulk of it. Damn. But anyway, this was clean. Clean maze, clean. Safi sana, safi. Then so spendi hiyo, nataka kuchukua nachukua mbili alafu niache moja, nacha moja like yeah. So stop yangu sasa na scale huko juu. So spendi venye nacheza hapo. Textbook, yeah. Ekiru textbook. Okay, sijui kama Kenya kuna mwenye anaweza highlight price hivi, but kama iko mazee. Okay, si ati yes, kunao kina watu kama kina Oduor in as much as hao hawezi show, but sijui like kama tu kuna mwenye tu anafanya kitu kai, then namrespect mazee, respect kwake juu kumanage emotions zako ukisoma charts, watu wakiongea like si kitu rahisi. Yes, kitu rahisi. So right now I'm looking at this order block and also this fair value gap. So ikibreachi, ikiinvalidate na hii, then it can as well just take out my stop loss. Work of art. Superb maze. Oops. So hii puzzle lazima ni complete, so tupoa nimeipata leo. Yeah, so hiyo ndo kitu nimeshinda nikingojea. So still in a stall like sipendi. So juu saizi kuna daylight saving, so unaona kuna mwenye anajiuliza mbona siku hizi Lucy mbona tumeingia like leo saizi ni saa ngapi? Saizi ni 6 na still ndo ni 10 kwa chat. Like saizi kuna kitu inaitwa DST, daylight saving. Okay, so like time zenye ulikuwa unaingia kwa chat ongeza 1 hour ahead. Yeah, so 4:30 ama 9:30 like inaanza sasa 5:30 saizi, so like vitu zimemoviwa, so time tu like imemove forward. Okay, time so ongeza tu 1 hour kwa time yako. So London session ukitradingi, una tradingi London session saa ngapi? Previously ulikuwa unangojea saa 4, si ndio? But saa hizi unangojea saa 5. So in as much as inarudi huko chini, so I've taken the bulk of it all, na yeah, stop yangu tu nitacha hapo, nitacha tu hapa juu ya hii fair value gap. So acha nitoe hiyo fair value gap. Time zone imebadilisha nikaenda loss leo. Yeah, so maze tunafaa to avoid vitu kama hizo, so pole maze, but then I guess tunafaa to encourage our fellow traders like hizi vitu unafaa ulizia. So saizi tuko daylight savings, time ina change, so ongeza tu 1 hour ahead. So unaweza sahau, ama kama like utaki kusahau, angalia tu time frame, as in set tu time yako to New York ama Nairobi time. So hapa hivi itakuwa inakushow, so angalia hii time hapa. Yeah, angalia hii time, so hii ndio itakuwa inakushow. Unaona hapa sasa inasema ni 10, so still nikiweka Nairobi time itakuwa inanishoni, sijui Nairobi time sasa itanishow saa ngapi, but iza maze eons iza like sidhani kama mtu anafaa like a lose trade because of that, but then sorry about that maze. Yeah, so from kesho utakuwa ushajua, so guys, this month niko so optimistic, so I feel like setups itakuwa juu sasa, kama like hadi kwa forex kulikuwa na setup, like hopefully tutakuwa like cross to nicely, you know. So alafu mnifollow imaze YouTube, nataka kuanza kudrop vitu zingine tu. YouTube so YouTube naitwa Lucy Trades. Yeah, YouTube mnifollow YouTube, follow YouTube, and then mimi siombi anything, but then if you can just do that, then yeah, mi pia na trade EU na GU. So right now imerudi kwa hii fair value gap, unaona venye na close chini. Okay, tuangalie kwa so unaona hii fair value gap yangu, hii ingine iko tu, so hii hapa pia ni order block. Hiyo ni order block, bullish order block, then tuko na hii fair value gap. So hii fair value gap so stop yangu tu nimeka the consequent encroachment kwa si ya hii fair value gap. So if it's to go higher, then itumie hii hapa ya juu. So kama itatumia, then ikirudi tu initoe juu, sitakuwa interested kwa hii ingine. Yeah, so mi pia na trade tu GU na Euro USD alafu na NQ, so hizo tu. Alafu kwa 5 minutes stop yangu iko yeah, still at the consequent encroachment tu, still kwa CE. So ikirudi nitoe, still ni sawa juu kama if it's to be bullish, then we don't expect for it to trade hata hadi kwa C consequent encroachment ya hii fair value, inafai trade at the upper quadrant. So kama itafanya hivyo, then tumetrade kwa higher time frame, so 4h fair value gap iko huku. So kwa wale wenye waoni, hapa juu kuna 4h fair value gap, so kuna hii 4h fair value gap. Okay, so kuna hii 4h fair value gap, in as much as kuna ingine huko juu, but right now we are dealing with this. And good thing tumeclose above the CE. So hii hapa tuone venye inafanya. Kama itatutoa close juu, tukiona iko poa, then unaweza i-ride tu. Yeah, ni same Nasdaq na nini ni same, NAS 100 na NQ ni same. So guys, you see that. But then kama unataka kusell like hiyo si like kitu promising, hii si entry. Okay, anything it's doing here spendi, na siwezi advise ati sasa unataka kushort, ama kama ni model yako wewe execute, but then for me so we have traded below this fair value gap. Yeah, so the fact that tumetrade below it ikaform fair value, hii order block, so ikirudia alafu ikuje tutoe still, kama haitafanya hivyo, then pierce juu. Yeah, but either way we are fine. Okay, either way we are fine, because we've taken the bulk of our trades. Na right now ni one contract na remain. Lakini hii hapa imekuwa nice, so nangoje hii trade close alafu so yeah, pia sifanye kitu ka hiyo. So hii hapa ikiclose huku juu, then stop yangu naika hapa chini. So ipias huko juu, ipias. So nataka i-close huko juu ya hii fair value gap hapa. So this fair value gap, so immediately we close above it. I want to scale my stop hapa hivi. So that's trade management. So in the next 15 seconds, yeah, so mfollow lucid trades. So acha nataka i-close huko juu, the next, yeah, alafu sasa namovisha stop yangu sasa hapa. Okay, so stop sasa iko hapa chini, stop loss. Yeah, juu hapa hivi pia kulikuwa na hiyo order block, so iki invalidate, but staki like ifanye hizi short moves. Nataka tu ikwe na itupe long candles, long itupe 5 handles. So 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth one tutajua iko wapi. 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth candle, then to expect pullback, alafu kama inataka continue higher. Yeah. Na stall. Nataka push higher. So hii level is support twende juu. So 1 2 3 4. Kama itatupea then hii eri kuji tutoe basi, but still stop yetu iko hapa, so we are still good. So ina stall hapo. But then if it's to sell, then inafai tupewe okay, it's trading in 4H fair value gap, so it needs to give us something like this: high, low, higher high, and then shift in market structure, fair value gap, then boom, another short. But then right now, nah, bado. Oops. Yeah, how are you, Gustave? So how are you? How you doing? You good? So nataka like, so I want to see it. So let it take us out or TP, and then we end the live there. So tomorrow we come back strong. So tomorrow is on tomorrow is which day? Wednesday. Yeah, so if we are going to be having NFP, then tomorrow New York, we look for a setup. If we don't find, then we wait for Friday. So I was looking for this last down close candle, so this one was an order block, so that's why you saw me scale this stop loss to around the mean threshold. So the midpoint of an order block is mean threshold, so okay, if it was to trade higher, then I don't expect for it to trade uku chini, so that was nice. So right now I can put that stop loss to the consequent encroachment sasa. Yeah. Bulanda. What have I done? What have I done? So this small fair value gap. So that fair value gap is holding price. Yeah. So this fair value gap, this small fair value gap, so it's holding price, but then let's see. So it's promising. The first move, trade into it, rejected. So kwani New York bila any red or brown follow. I respect the DRA. Sina respect. Yeah, ina respect. So these if we close above huku, so you see this also another entry. So in another entry technique. So acha niwaambie. So acha tu niwaambie kitu. Hii ni siri yangu na nyinyi, okay? Hii ni siri yangu na nyinyi. So mnataka siri. So you see here we had this low, this high, this low took out this. So hii hapa ni nini? Hii ni bullish breaker. So once we trade above it, then I don't expect for price to trade huku chini. So if we trade above it, then itakuwa bullish breaker. So utaona like I'll confidently scale my stop loss huko juu. Yeah. So yeah, so na acha tu ni wait close hapa juu. So time, angalia time, so 10:30. So iki close huko juu before 10:30, then we might still be bullish. Yeah. So let's wait and see. So right now this level respecting. Nimechoka nayo, si uende tu pia suko juu. And then we want to see this level hold price. Yeah, na inipushie price towards the true day open. So I want to see that. So can you give me that? Can you give me that, please? Oops. So ikifika 10:30 ama 6:30 naenda. So please just pierce sukuju and then I'll know what to do. So still inacheza cheza hapa. So I want to see it pierce sukuju close above. Then yes, like that. Thank you. So thank you. So right now stop yangu naona bado na scale. So iki close above, then stop yangu inakuja hapa chini. You see below this breaker block. So if kwa wale wenye look at that, must be nice maze. God damn it, toto mdogo. Just look at that. Beautiful price delivery. So nataka tu close huku juu. So close huku juu. Ita close. So nilikuwa nataka i-close huko juu, but then still it's promising. So imetrade juu alafu ikarudi hivi. So the fact that maze nice. So to close huko juu, we use this breaker block support price. I-support alafu iende juu. But sasa okay, still this level held price. So here we are having this order block. So still that's something. So someone anaweza jiuliza mbona azin unaskelaje stop loss zako, like unaangalia nini yeah. So right now hii order block mean threshold, alafu if fair value gap, upper quadrant consequent encroachment na lower quadrant ya hii fair value gap. So hizo tu ndo my last lines of defense. So ikiweza juu ya close huku juu, ndo maana so nilikuwa nasema iki close huku juu nita scale stop loss yangu hapa below this, but then you see ijafanya, si ndio? So that's why siwezi nini stop loss yangu hapa. Juu ningefanya hivyo ingerudi nitoe, but still tungoje tu, but still hii high imechukuliwa still. Yeah. Guys, it's boring, like ina repeat each and every single day. What do you say? So kama giza pia inaingia, ni wakati wa magizgiz. So ikifika 10:30 naenda. So nitachana nayo. So iki nitakuwa na manage tu kwa simu sasa. But if we close above huku juu, stop loss yangu nitaika chini ya hii breaker block. Hii level nimemark breaker. So tuki close above, kama itaki then ikuje nitoe. But then guys, kitu nafanya ni, so niko na hii breaker block, iki fail ku obey then niko na if order block, iki fail then niko na hii fair value gap. So 3 PDR is fair value gap, this order block, fair value gap, na tuko na hii order block ingine hapa, hii hapa. So hii order block tunaangalia hiyo pia. So right now ina fail, and please take me out. I want to go. Nichukue hawa. Haitaki kutuchukua. Haona huyu. Okay. This must be perfect. Perfecto. Haitaki kutuchukua maze. So ni 10:30 juu by hii time like inafaa ianze kuunda the next setup. So kama inataka kwenda higher, then inafaa ianze kuunda nini setup ya kutrade higher. Kama itataka ku reverse, then itutoe na ianze kufanya vitu zake. Damn. So nataka initoe juu nimechoka. Yes, imenitoa. Yes. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, maze, what a day na mfollow YouTube. So kuna goodies. So nitakuwa na balance. Nikipea mtu fande next, nikipea boy next atakuwa dem. Nikipea dem next anakuwa boy. So right now, bye guys, na tupatane kesho.